Thing, who had spoken? Smriti. Hi,
Yes.
Smriti.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Actually, Smriti play a very important role behind this session. One day we had a conversation on the Facebook Messenger, right, Smriti? And then she had
Yes,
asked me, ma'am, acha, what you do? आप क्या करते हो job छोड़ के and teaching छोड़ के? And then I told her, brief कि we are into this finances, wealth. So then she had given me that, ma'am, why don't you tell us about? So from there, that idea clicks. Thanks to Smriti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much to you, ma'am. Actually, I found it like whatever you've started is very, very interesting and something new for all of us. And it'll be definitely be an informative session and learning from you after so many years. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I taught you in 6th standard, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm in 3rd year, so it's been so long.
Just give a brief about you, where you are in and what you are doing.
Ma'am, I'm in NMIMS.
Can we see your face?
Yeah.
You can put the video on. Yeah, hi.
Open your video, yeah.
Yes.
Do you remember Puna ma'am also?
Puna ma'am, Shalini ma'am, the whole details.
Shalini ma'am.
Sanjan ma'am, Hindi teacher.
Yes.
Oh yes. I remember.
ये जो मीटिंग करा रही है ना, जो स्टूडेंट्स है ना, अच्छा, उनकी मीटिंग है.
Okay, so shall we start the meeting?
Yes.
I may request everyone to just mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so shall we start? Am I audible?
Yes, very much.
Okay.
Recording.
Hi, I just started. So very good evening to one and all present over here. I'm excited, thrilled. I'm conducting this session Pehla Kadam, which is going to be give you, basically I'm the founder of Nivesh Ki Pathshala. This is the one platform in which we are sharing whatever the things need to be discussed. The knowledge sharing platform, what are the things I found that need to be, delivered to the people, and they really need it and they really want it. They need to understand certain concepts. So that we discuss on this platform, Nivesh Ki Pathshala. So today on this platform, we are taking as a personal finance awareness session as Pehla Kadam. It is being conducted for the students, my old alumni and the new students, college going students, the first people who are just started working. It is basically about them. So just a brief about this session, how this is coming to the awareness. We talk always about, students go on study, pado. Why to study so hard? To get the good marks, right? To get the good marks, to get the admission in the good college. Now, when you get the good college, why we are behind our kids to get the good college? Definitely they get a salary with a good package if done from the very good institute. So somewhere, hello? Shall I continue? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we put so much emphasis on getting the good package as a salary, so the money plays a very important role. So in this session, we touch about the basics of money. How does the money work? What is the philosophy behind the money? And what are different investment avenues which we don't discuss with our kids. So these are the points which we touch upon. Before we start, as this is for the college students and for the students, so something which I had just watched one.
Shelly is listening, Shweta. Okay, she wants to say hello. Yeah.
Hello, Shelly. Hello, welcome. So when we say the students and the college going, the vibrancy in them, the youth, this generation, so they want to attain everything in their life and very fast. So I had just watched one video which was very, heart touching, and I really liked it. So what I had done in this session, I had just picked up some clips from that video, and I hope you like it. So here we go. This is our youth. Just one second.
well. सब ठीक है. सब ठीक है. पापा है, मम्मी है, feeding my tummy है. सब कुछ yummy yummy है. लाइफ का मीनिंग मस्ती है, गैजेटों की बस्ती है, खर्चा जबरदस्ती है. इंडिया लो शाइनिंग है, वाइनिंग और डाइनिंग है, सिल्वर की तो लाइनिंग है.
So I hope you all had enjoyed this video, right? If we keep it interactive, it will be more fun. Anyone can answer. Hello.
Yeah, we enjoyed, Shweta, but you told
Yeah.
us not put yourself.
Okay.
Mute
But after
करने
the
के लिए
video
बोला था
later.
ना.
Okay. So this is somewhere
That's
to
nice.
my students who just watch this video. So what is will you be able to connect from this video? This is the today's generation, right? Basically, who are in the Mumbai. So these are the street shopping and to the malls and to the movies and to the games club. So everything, this is the one thing, youth is always being attached to. This is the glittery thing. And if you find it out on each and every aspect, the moment you step out your feet from the house, right from hiring an auto rickshaw, till buying accessories, stationaries, to the any eateries. So what you need money, right? So when you say money, and had you ever given a thought of it, ki money is so important for everything, but nowadays, till now, you are depending on your parents. Pocket money, this is my earnings, this is the thing I require every month. So parents need to give this, fulfill all your wants and needs. So if I'm going to ask you, what does money mean to you? Anyone can answer. Isha, Bhamesh, I see something scribble on the screen right now. Anyone? Smriti? Aman?
Ma'am, maybe the mechanism or the resources we use to buy what we actually want, and we want to spend it in a way that so that we can acquire whatever we want to maybe use at a particular time for some particular thing or something like that.
Right. Such a defined definition of money, Smriti only can give, chemical engineering, right? So when we say money is such an important thing. So right now, if you are good enough, at least you had explained, many of them, they haven't turned up also. So if I say the youth, and actually this survey is being done by a wealth management company, and then they had created this video. So I want to share with you all.
Money?
Money.
Money.
That's a confusing question.
Paper.
Money to me is basically having the freedom. Money is my life.
Money is necessary.
You get a lot of girls, guys, even.
Everything begins with money and ends with money.
Something that you need for basic survival.
The more you think about money, the more you'll end up thinking about the lack of it, and that thought is just depressing.
Your life, almost. Unless you want to become a hippie and sit on a mountain. Don't do that.
You don't need money to be happy. You need something. I think you need love to be happy.
So this was their idea about money. Many of you had, do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when we talk about money, what the feeling you will get? Suppose I had given you 50,000 rupees. So what the feeling exactly you will have at that time holding that money? You must be getting the money from your relatives when they say tata bye bye, they visit to you, and then while going, they just give you a drop, your grandparents or your bua or any relatives, and your parents some extra money on the festivals. So when you have that money, what what the feeling you go through?
Ma'am, at that current state, we feel good, but we always feel we should get more of it. Like
Get more. Yes, because money never ends. You need more and more. That's it. Soumya is there, I think. Soumya, Agrima, Aman, so many students. Amol is there. Anpurna is there. Anushka Chakole is there. Okay.
Ma'am, we even feel very powerful when we hold any amount of money.
Right. True. You feel powerful. You feel content. You get the confidence, right? So when you have the money, so when you have money, definitely you feel you've had the safety first. You know, you feel very safe. I can handle any situation. You feel confident. You have the peace of mind. There is nothing to worry about. Kahan se aayega, kaise aayega. Then buy you time. This point is very important, which I like. Buy you time. Because if you see your parents, your father or your mother, father while going to the office, they had a driver. What they had done, they pay some money to the driver and they had buy that time. Now that time they can utilize in just relaxing themselves so that they can enhance their productivity in the office. Similarly for your mother also, when we had the maid in the house, may I ask others to please mute and unmute while answering only.
Mr. Swapnil Joshi.
Okay, so when buy your time, this is the thing. So that means you had buy your time and utilize that time in developing yourself and being more productive. Just 1 second, sorry.
Mute all.
Shweta, you can mute all.
I'm just doing that only, ma'am.
I think by mistake, Mr. Swapnil Joshi is unmuted.
I done that. Okay. So here, when we talk about money, so this thing basically gives you safety, confidence, peace of mind, buy time, comfort, ability to give, and freedom. So these are the things when you have the money in your wallet, in your pocket. So all these things automatically, confidence, the way you walk in any showroom or in the mall to buy any stuff, that confidence is totally different. So that's why money is so important. But suppose you have the money in your hand, and what is your expectation from the money? Anyone want to answer? They can unmute themselves and can answer. What is your expectation from the money?
That it is utilized to the fullest.
Yes.
A much more comfortable life.
Right.
Shweta ma'am, can you show previous slide, please?
Previous slide you want? Okay.
Previous.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
So here we talk about the safety, confidence, peace of mind, buy you time, comfort, ability to give, and freedom. And all these things, I'm not saying money is very important, but still it is important to hold all this stuff. If you just have the 100 rupees and you went to the shop and then automatically a confidence level was shaken up. So when this thing is important, so expectation from money, basically, not in the student life or the college or you're going to work for somewhere, in every era of your life, the most important part is, anyone can guess, safety, right? You always keep your money in the wallet and you keep on counting it. Aapke siblings se to nahi nikaliye, it must be safe. So safety is the priormost expectation we have from our money. It should be safe. In wherever we put, wherever we keep, wherever we invest, we always want money. Safety is the powermost condition. Then this thing. Anyone from the image can find it out what I'm talking about?
Growth.
Okay. Though it is same liquidity and growth. Liquidity, why I had used this word, reason that nowadays if you see on your phone, we have the n number of wallets. You know, now the condition is not being specified only to give the cash. I still remember in our time, our parent bank aaj band hai, paise nahi nikale hain, you know, kaise hoga, how to handle, because we need cash at that time. Then the things and era changes, and the change had came where the cards come in the picture, credit cards, debit card, or ATM cards. But now the life becomes more easier as we have the different wallets like Google Pay we have, Paytm we have, PayPal you have, PhonePe you have. So that means what happened? That gives you an ease to buy, to shop, or the purchase. And you don't have to worry about the money because that is being taken care by direct credit to your bank account, and that can be you can get the things. So liquidity is high. Now liquidity for our perspective, the student perspective, is just to buy anything. But when you go to the higher level, when you go get in the job and you invest some money, something where you had invested, then at that point whether you able to redeem that and get the money back. So that is the liquidity. You had a flat, and I'm just talking about when you are, you know, middle-aged person, 30, 40, 45. So at that time, when you had a flat and you are in such a need of money, when you sell that flat and you're getting the liquidity. So will that be the easier one of having the money in the bank account and can withdraw from the ATM? That is easy. Which will be the easiest option? Selling a property or getting a money from a bank?
Second option.
Second option. So that is the liquidity. Where you don't have to wait for the time, the moment of your need, you are able to withdraw money. That is the liquidity. So we always expect our money to be safe as well as it will able to fulfill our needs at the time and the hour of our need. So these are two things expectation from the money. So, but what is the biggest threat to money? हमने कहा सेफ्टी की बात की. Safety is okay. I'm just going to put the money in the locker, under the safe cupboard, securities and banks and accounts, everything be done. But still we have a biggest threat to the money, which is known as the inflation. I think all the students are here. They can read this graph. So you can observe here that on March 79, what is the value of the money, rupees 100 at that time? Now, this is the latest research done by the source of Bloomberg. March 31, 2018, it is equivalent to 5 rupees. It is not same as it is up. Even you yourself can find it out. Whatever the value you have, if you get your pocket money as 100 rupees earlier, I think 6-7 years back, does it have the same value now? No, because the things you will not get the same price. So this is the biggest threat to money, that is the inflation. Now, inflation is what? Because India is a developing country. So inflation have to be there. Things have to be inflated because that is a growing economy. बढ़ रहे हैं, grow कर रहे हैं, तो definitely खर्चे महंगाई चीज बढ़ेगी. So that is the inflation. To give you more clarity on this, just watch this.
You must have heard your parents say that things were always cheaper back when they were young. A liter of milk cost rupees 9 back then. Now, you have to pay close to rupees 60. And a pair of pants that you bought for rupees 1000 just 5 years back may cost you rupees 1500 today. This is inflation. Inflation is the rise in the prices of goods, which means that with the same amount of money, you will be able to buy lesser tomorrow than you can today. Simply put, the value of your money is going down with every passing day. So, if the money in your savings account earns you 4% return, and the rate of inflation is above that, it is essentially a loss in the value of your money. This means that you will have to either buy small quantities later, cut down on the total items you purchase, or end up spending more.
So I hope by watching this video, you can say at least an idea that how the things in perspective had changed. Earlier, whatever the bulk, like we had seen our grandparents, they had said that, you know, in 10 rupees, we have full bag of the vegetables or the eateries and the groceries. Now in our time, you know, you just take 10,000 rupees, still the things will not fulfill in that way. So this is the inflation. When the time the things growing, the inflation also increases. But it's not like how you had studied about the positive and negative, you know, plus and minus. The things are there to balance. So when we talk about the inflation, you must be surprised. Okay, inflation hai, so then everything, whatever we are earning, it keep on, erode away. It can be reduced. It can be decreased. So to balance that, we have one more very important concept over here. That is the power of compounding. And this, when I was making this slide, I had a smile on my face because this is a topic which I taught to my students: power of compounding. This is the Albert Einstein, and he had said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Now I want the students to open up their mic and unmute yourself. Can I ask what is the formula of compound interest? Formula of compound interest. Anyone remember? Or forgot? Okay. Remember this?
P into R into T upon something.
So A is equal to P1 plus R raised to the power N.
Poonam ma'am, that is simple interest formula.
Yes, yes. Aarti Sharma, please चुप बैठो, मुझे समझ गया.
Okay, that is a simple interest formula. I is equal to P1 plus R upon 100. So Aarti Sharma ma'am, what is the compound interest formula then?
Ma'am, you have already given on the screen. A is equal to P plus 1 by 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power N.
Okay. R percent. It should be R percent over here. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm just taking it that way. So R percent rate of interest basically, sorry, just one second. Unmute yourself, please. Okay. So here, how many variables do we have? 4 variables. A, P, R and N. Here I'm assuming that the kids are understanding that R is the rate and always calculated in the percent. Okay. So I assumed in that way. That's why I just mentioned the formula here. So now A, P, R and N. Out of these 4 variables, which is the most important thing that gives the power to the compounding? Is it the amount or the principal which you had invested, or with the rate of interest what you had get while investing, or and the number of years with which you had invested your money? Out of these 4, which will be the most important variable that provide you the power of compounding?
The time. Number of years.
Number of years, right. So number of years is the very important aspect of the power of compounding. The more number of time, number of years you kept your investment, okay, with the same rate of interest, it will outgrow. So in the coming slides, we will discuss that. But before that, just to give a hint how the power of compounding works, see here.
एक बार एक कवि हुआ करता था. उसकी माली हालत इतनी खराब हुई कि घर में खाने के लाले पड़ गए. इसी कारण उसने महल में जाकर राजा से मदद मांगने का फैसला किया. राजा के बुलाए जाने पर उसने अपनी कविताएं पढ़नी शुरू कर दी.
वाह 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 वाह.
राजा बहुत प्रसन्न हुआ और उसने कवि से अपना इनाम मांगने के लिए कहा. कवि ने मोहरों से सजे शतरंज की ओर इशारा करते हुए कहा, महाराज, अगर आप पहले खाने में चावल का 1 दाना रखें और हर खाने के लिए उसे दुगना करते जाएं, तो मैं समझूंगा मुझे मेरा इनाम मिल गया.
बस इतना ही?
राजा ने पूछा.
सिर्फ चावल का 1 दाना और सोना नहीं?
जी हाँ महाराज.
तो फिर ऐसा ही हो.
दरबारियों ने चावल के दाने रखने शुरू कर दिए. पहले खाने में 1, दूसरे में 2, तीसरे में 4, चौथे में 8. इस तरह वो रखते गए. जब 10वें खाने में चावल रखने की बारी आई तो उन्हें चावल के 512 दाने रखने पड़े. 20वें खाने तक संख्या बढ़कर 5,24,288 हो गई. आधे हिस्से तक आते आते 32वें खाने में चावल के दानों की गिनती 214 करोड़ 74 लाख 83,648 हो गई। जल्द ही गिनती अरबों खरबों में बढ़ गई। आखिरकार अभागे राजा को अपना पूरा राजपाट उस चतुर कवि के हाथों सौंपना पड़ा और इसकी शुरुआत चावल के सिर्फ एक दाने से हुई थी। कहानी की सीख, चक्रवृद्धि की ताकत को कम नहीं आंकना चाहिए।
I had purposely chosen this Hindi story to explain this compound. Chakravidhi is nothing as compound interest, right, Poonam ma'am? Shalini ma'am, you're two Hindi teachers over here.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
So this is the power of compounding. You start with 1 with the number of boxes, the number of years. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. So we had just talked about this power of compounding, the compound interest, and here with this video, just 1 second. So that's what they specify, power of compounding is so important, where each box representing 1 year, and then keep on growing for the number of years, that the quantity and the corpus which are able to collect, that is huge. So I'm just going to take one case study. Here we are talking about how they start saving early. It is the benefit from the power of compounding. I'm taking a story of Ram and Shyam and their retirement. Okay, so there are two people, Ram and Shyam. The current age of Ram is 30 years and Shyam is 40 years. Tenure for the retirement, because 60 years is the year of retirement. So he has 30 years for the retirement and he has 20 years. So he had started early and he started investing 10,000 rupees monthly. And though he was late, but for the 20 years, he invested every month 15,000 rupees. Though at the end of the years, the amount invested is 36 lakh by both of them. So any assumption that how much they had collected the corpus at the end, 60 years, after 60 years, how much amount they both have collected? Just with suppose they've taken a rate of interest of 14%. It was a long tenure, so they just put in some growing options. Any idea? Okay. So just see that what is the maturity value they both had received at the end, at the 60th year. Ram has the maturity value 4 crores 59 lakh 96,206, while Shyam 1 crore 76 lakh 2,111. The difference is 2 crores plus, 2 crores 83 lakh. So this is the benefit from the power of compounding. Am I making any sense? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, understood. Now we will just do something live over here. I am on this one. So just see the importance of starting saving early and kept for the more number of years. How much amount of money you want to invest? Suppose as per your level, how much money you can save every month? Can I assume 1,000? We start with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose 1,000 rupees you had invested for suppose 5 years. I'm not taking much more because and the interest you taken 12%. So just imagine after 5 years you're able to accumulate 81,104. And the same price, same amount, I'm keep on investing for 10 years. 1,000 rupees every month for 10 years with the same rate. I'm able to accumulate 2,24,036. So more the number of years, the more will be your corpus. Right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is it making any sense? Yes? So that's why it's very important to start saving early. Now I'm using such a big word, start saving early, saving early. You must be saying, ma'am, we are the students, we still have so much of expenses. We keep on asking our parents and they are giving us. So why to save? Basically, it should be a discipline should be inculcated. You know that the saving is so important, but you are also right. You know why we are focusing so much on saving. First of all, for saving, you should have some goal. Like I'm just taking an example, as you people are the students. So you must having a goal for your exams, how to prepare. Okay, exams when 6 months are there, when 3 months are there, when 2 months are there, when just 1 week is there. So how you change your study pattern, your process to, get good marks, good grades in your exams, right? So that is the things you're looking upon. Or maybe you are planning for a camping or trekking, or you want to do something. So that goal should be very clear. Here you're the student, so your goals are specific to these. But when you grow in your life, when you go ahead doing the job, getting the salary, being a family person, so at that time your goals will be changed. Like mine, if you ask me, my goal will be, my daughter's education, getting the good colleges. Will I able to, fill up the fees properly? Maybe the world tour, retirement, so many things. So these are the biggest aspects of the saving and investment. For you people, maybe your goal will be the small one. Why I'm just focusing more on this? Because you people have the money. If you inculcate this habit of saving 10% of it only, 10%, then you by yourself can say, to your parents, no, I'm able to now, I can suffice my own desires. And the feeling of, doing the things by yourself is totally different. No one can take that. So this we had done. So if I'm going to ask you what can be your goals, anyone can answer? कोई नहीं है, no goals. Okay, so your goals can be this smartphones. Everyone is having a smartphone. Maybe the better level of branded accessories, camping, PSPO and all this stuff. So when your goal is being decided, so then do you have any idea कि आप saving की अगर बात करते तो ये youth है, because you people have it answers. I'm just sharing this screen over here. Just observe it. How much the knowledge about investment important है, कितना है? What the youth think about it?
I have a bank account in which I put some extra money, but that's about it. I don't believe in saving.
I believe in saving, it's just that I can't save.
Savings represent boring part of your life, probably like the later part when you're 50s, 60s, thinking of retirement.
I myself, I haven't saved as such. My parents have done it.
What are my views on savings? Shit.
I do not have money at the end of the month to save up.
Savings, stuff that, money that you don't spend, you keep aside.
Are you all thinking in the same way? Okay, fine. So when we talk about saving, now your goals are fixed. You had started thinking that, okay, I can save 10% or 15%, 20% of my earning, or my whatever the money I get as a pocket money or from the relatives, whatever the money I have, I will save 10% of it. And after that, whatever remaining, I will spend. But your saving amount here, then where to invest? Okay, so different investment avenues, what are available in our surroundings. You must have heard your parents talking about where they do, what they do. Had anyone give me a brief of, because make it interactive, otherwise it will be not fun. And anyone heard their parents talking about kahan paisa invest karte hain, how they do, what is the best investment options for them? Am I audible?
Yes.
Avichal Sharma, now you will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so had you heard your parents talking about different investment avenues where we can invest our money?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So answer please.
Ma'am,
Sure नहीं
SIPs
हूँ.
and mutual funds.
SIP and mutual funds, right? But SIP and mutual funds are same thing.
No, they are different.
SIP is a mode in which we invest in the mutual fund. SIP is systematic investment plan जिसमें आप हर month, quarterly या half yearly आप invest करते हो in mutual funds. The mutual fund is the biggest aspect and SIP is the mode. Okay. Then anything else? Okay, we have done one with the mutual fund. Then
Ma'am, FDs.
FDs, very good. FD is the most, India's biggest population, they invest in the FDs. Then
Equity, alternative investments, derivatives.
derivatives, very good. Derivatives, stocks, shares, bonds, debentures, right? Anything else?
Ma'am, property, like
Property, real estate, very good. This is the second most biggest, investment option in India. Not in India, everyone, belongingness of having something in the real estate. That is a very proud feeling.
Ma'am, gold and such.
Right, gold and such. So almost we had touched upon, you had the brief idea about what are the different investment options. Now see what the generation think about it.
Shares and dividends and stuff. Am I done? You think at this age I'll invest? I don't. Commerce stuff isn't my thing.
Investments is investing your money in. I don't know about much.
I haven't invested in anything yet because I'm still small.
I will never invest my money using my own brains ever.
I don't do investments, but like me going to college is an investment for my father.
Me going to the college is an investment for my father. So you all agree with this, right? So we talk about, so we have the bank, like we do the FDs, like Smriti had said. Then post office, no one had talked about this. We have many schemes going on in the post office where the people invest, and it is very approachable because the people who just live below poverty, and for them the post office was earlier, it was very important. I will just come on this aspect. Then we have the real estate, then we have gold, then we have stocks and shares, then we have the mutual funds. So today, in the today's session, I will just touch upon the basics, how this, what are different avenues or different investment options we have in these major 6 categories. And in the next coming session, I will just go in the brief, in the detail of all these things, how does they work and what are the rate of interest and which is the more safe, transparency and the comparison in the different investments avenues. But today I will just touch upon what basically we have in this. Okay, first and foremost, we talk about bank as the word. So the very first thing comes is the FDs. So when we talk about the bank, there's so many things, because in the bank, the first and foremost thing what we do, we just open the account, okay, to keep our money safe. Like I had said earlier, safety issue, we keep the money in the bank. Then liquidity issue, whenever we want, we can take our money by using the ATM cards or by the NEFT or by IMPS. Any way you can use the bank for these 2 major things, safety and liquidity. Apart from this, because bank also work it help you to grow your money. See, one thing is that when you get into the job, you get an active income, you get a salary, right? And you save also. Now, keeping that money, there are 2 ways. Either you kept in the cupboard or the locker and the money is there. Second thing, you make your money work. How you make your money work? By lending to a very safe guaranteed institution where your money is safe, and they are using, because their money is anyway lying. So they put the money they just give it to some other way, to the government, and they just use it for the growth of the country. And in return of that, you will get the interest. This is the process that goes on. कि आपका पैसा है, गवर्नमेंट को दिया, गवर्नमेंट ने आपका पैसा आगे की इन्वेस्टमेंट में, ग्रोथ में लगाया कंट्री की, उससे जो एक्स्ट्रा उनको मिला, वो जो रिटर्न है वो आपको ऐसे रिटर्न देते हैं जो आपने पैसा लगाया. So this is the way bank work. So this is the first thing. It's very safe because it deals with the government. And then what else we can do? How they grow the money? They do the bank FDs. Now FDs क्या होता है? FDs में suppose you had a lump sum of 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, this much amount of rupees, lump sum you have the money. And you want to invest somewhere, but you want the safe also. So in the bank FDs, what happened? You put that lump sum amount for a fixed time. for the fixed rate of interest, कि आपने from 7 days till 10 years, you can put the money in any of the options available, and that money is now locked. Okay, you can't take out the money, but you can take it out, but with some penalty. But you will get a fixed rate of interest. Now, economy grow or economy go down, depending upon that. So you will get the returns, and that return is being added, whatever the money you had invested, and you will get your FDs, fixed deposits, and you will get the money with some interest. So this is the safest one. That's why most people of the India, they had their FD deposits, fixed deposits in the bank. Then bank recurring. Difference between fixed deposits and recurring is what? In the fixed deposit, you put the lump sum money. While in the recurring, you put the fixed monthly. Suppose as a student, you had a bank account, and somehow you are able to manage 1,000 rupees you can save, or 500 rupees you can save. So what you can do, you can start a recurring of 500 rupees in a bank account. So when you go to the bank, I'm going to start a bank recurring 500 rupees. So whatever the rate of interest is going on for 1 year, depending upon, and then you can keep on money aside it, as well as your money is earning the interest also. So this is where the bank recurring make your money grow at your level. You can use it. Then we have the sovereign gold bond also, that bank provides so many things. And we have the PPF, Public Provident Fund. This is the most common investment option we have. Bank also do this, as well as the post office also do this. So you can open your PPF account either in bank or in the post office. So bank, apart from all this stuff, basically we all know, we go to SDFC, ICICI, government banks, corporate banks. So depending upon today I'm just touching upon what major things we will do in the bank. We can do. So these are the things which is in your approach, I think, as a student can do. So this is the bank thing. Next thing comes post office saving schemes. Now in this I want how much you know about the post office mein kya hota hai. Anyone? Okay. So as I talked about post office, we have Public Provident Fund, PPF. We can open the account in the bank or as well as in the post office. Now the Public Provident Fund is basically, now what happened, Government of India, time ke baad, because they are not able to give the pension to all they can't handle the retirement of so many people. So what they had done, they had inculcated this habit of saving by themselves, saving by ourselves. So they had given this facility, PPF, okay, now in this you put your money, and they just give some tax benefit on this. For 15 years locking period, you put your money, minimum you can open this account with 500 rupees until 1.5 lakh maximum. You can put it in this PPF account. And after 15 years, either you can withdraw or you can enhance it again for the block of 5 years till the time you want to. Okay, so this is the way PPF help the people who just looking for the retirement. But now why retirement is so important? Because if you observe that, you will get the personal loan, you will get the education loan, you will get loan for anything, but you will not get the loan for the retirement. So retirement is something which we as an individual have to think from as soon as possible. The moment you start earning, make sure that you should take care about your retirement, because the inflation will be high. Okay, जो lifestyle आप आज maintain कर रहे हैं, retirement में भी उतना ही maintain करना, उससे कम भी करेंगे, but उतना तो पहुंचना पड़ेगा. So to reach that, start saving early is the best option, and all these accounts, they will help you out. So here we have the PPF, then we have National Savings Certificate. This is for 5 years. Here you can, the interest is get something 6.8% in this. You can start with 100 rupees in this account, but maximum we don't have any limit. So you earn for the 5 years, you can get the money, big one. Then post office monthly income scheme, like how we have. So all this, Sukanya Samriddhi account is also very good. This is basically for the girls, it is, I'm just getting it. It's a girl child, motivating thing for them this account is specifically for the girls. So the investment can be done for 15 years but it can be mature at the age of 21 years. After 15 years, it keep on earning the interest, and that is beneficial because the girl child, they will get a good amount of money at the end, and that will be help them for their future thing. So Sukanya Samriddhi account for post office, senior citizen saving scheme. This is very good for getting the pension. Okay, you invest the money and then you keep on getting the annuity. No, not for the annuity and all. So in this, for the retired people, for 60 years and above, so you will have the senior citizen savings scheme, post office saving account. Like our grandparents, you know, for them, post office is more approachable. So they had opened their account in post office. They save their money in that. Nowadays we have banks and all, but all this stuff is still, they do, post office do, recurring deposit accounts and Kisan Vikas Path. So all these things where the people can invest and let their money grow, and this is very safe option, okay, because it is being managed by the government. Then comes real estate and gold. So you all had said by yourself that real estate is the one thing, is also the investment option, but at your level it is, you know, such a big thing to think about, to buy a house. But somewhere at some point of time you will, once you become in the middle age. So real estate, you can buy shops, you can buy the commercial property, you can buy the houses, you can buy the second house, NA plots, so many things. But the part with the real estate is that two things. One, real estate always boosts the, you know, feeling of proud, you know, I'm the owner of the house in the society, and the social, you get the importance. But this is the highly illiquid. Illiquid in the sense, suppose you need the money, you can't sell a bathroom, you can't sell a kitchen, you can't sell a part of your house. So pros and cons, depending upon, because this is the need. So you can't, you know, define on that whether it is right or wrong, because house is something which you can connect to, because emotional connected, like from this also, as well as from gold also. Gold again, earlier it was physical, which you can feel and touch. That is the gold part. Now you buy the gold. Nowadays, no one sell it, but having the physical gold have its own pros and cons. It gives you the feeling of soothingness. Yeah, I'm the, you know, I'm holding this much of gold. But again, the things like where to keep, buy the locker, then making charges, then designs get old. And in the option of that, they had just put the paper gold. So there you buy a certain amount of gold on the paper. At the time of your need, when you want to buy the gold, you can redeem that and can buy the gold of your choice at that time. So this is the real estate and gold, a wide version. So maybe not suitable for you talking right now. Then comes, yeah, which, what this building belongs to? Anyone answer, please?
Bombay Stock Exchange.
Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है? What happened here?
Trading.
What?
Trading.
Trading. Trading of what?
Stocks.
Stocks. Stocks क्या होते हैं?
Shares.
Shares क्या होते हैं?
कंपनी का पार्ट होता है मार्केट में.
Okay, so BSE, as the president said, BSE is the Bombay Stock Exchange. We have the NSE also, National Stock Exchange. So we have Sensex and we have the Nifty. So a country top 30 and top 50 companies. So their trading is being done on this. That's why we call it as direct stocks and shares. Now what will happen? The top 50 and top 30 companies, because they are the one who just, you know, contribute more in the development of a country. Okay, so they are trading their things, how they perform in the globally. So that decide their prices to go up and down. So that's why the share prices goes up and down. So when you invest in shares, what will happen? You invest in one company, so you are going to specify to that company only. वो company ने अच्छा perform किया, your share prices goes up. Company ने खराब perform किया, your share price goes down. That means profit and loss depending upon the single company only. So this is also the one investment option where the growth is there. Safety part is the second issue, but the growth part definitely, but you need to study a lot on the stocks and shares. That's why the today's session is, I just want to leave you with a thought. Okay, how does it work? So that you go, you study. It's not like I am telling, or your father had told you, or your mother had told you, then only you invest. No, I'm just opening up the, you know, a thinking process where you can go and find it out. Why is that so? How it is interesting, how I can do it. So learning by doing, that is the one thing with which I think this session will help you out. So I'm just going to touch upon next coming sessions. We just go more into detail of this. So direct stocks and shares, one company, you just buy the shares of different companies. Now how the company perform, on that basis, your prices will go up and down. So profit and loss depending on that. And last but not the least, this mutual fund. Anyone can specify what are the mutual funds? This is very common nowadays. On TV, it comes so many mutual funds. Sahi hai. So what is your understanding about the mutual funds? No one. Aman, Agrima.
I think there are mutual fund houses which take many people and then they invest it for you in companies.
Okay, you're talking about the AMCs, the companies which take your money and invest on your behalf, right?
Yes.
Okay, so very much near to that, mutual fund basically is a portfolio. Just like thali hoti hai na, you go to the any restaurant and ask for thali. So on that thali, what will happen? You have chapati also, rice also, dal also, sabji also, dessert also. A combination of all the stuff which is being needed by you. Now, some will be spicy, some will be sweet. Similarly, in the mutual fund, what will happen? There in the direct stock, suppose you're investing 100 rupees. That 100 rupees goes in the one company share only. Okay, now here, if you invest 100 rupees in the mutual fund, what will happen? That 100 rupees go to the 50 different companies. Now, whatever the scenario, some companies perform well, some company performs not so well. But at the end, your 100 rupees, because it is distributed, diversified. So the loss and the gain, you get the average of it. So that's why nowadays people not more advertisement and things for the mutual fund and basically it contains all the option, growth option also, it contains debt option also, safety also, international touch also, gold also. So that's why mutual fund nowadays they're working on all the important aspects of the different investment options. So that's why the mutual fund nowadays are taking a good place. Where you don't have to apply your brain, where a person is sitting on your behalf, a fund manager who is experienced, and he put your money as per the company strategy and the things, and he put your money on that behalf, and in the turn of that, you will get the return. So it's basically a hassle-free for the person who is investing. Okay, so we had touched about, so this is all about what are different investment options. So just a quick, what are you going to take away with you from today's session? First and foremost is decide your goal. Whether it should be a short term, middle term, long term, depending upon your wish. Not necessarily कि आज के लिए आज से 2 साल में ही जो ये goal मुझे achieve करना है. No, decide, think in your mind, look from the bigger perspective. So goals are very important. Goals ही नहीं होगा तो वहाँ पहुँचोगे कैसे? So to reach somewhere, you had some goal. I want to go to that place. So the place, the things, the vehicle, everything need to be decided. So goal is very important for anything you want to achieve in the life. So decide the goal first. Then you had studied about, we had talked about the inflation, how does it work and how does it hamper your savings. So investment is the only option which can beat inflation. If your investment not able to beat inflation, that means your money is not growing. So in whatever the investment options you choose, it should always give you return more than the inflation. If inflation 4% है तो आपके investment कम से कम 6 to 8% देने चाहिए. Then you will get the real rate of returns in your hand. Power of compounding we talked about is start early. No matter what, whether you are the student or you are the working person, start saving. You start this discipline of saving 10% to 20% of whatever the money you have and invest it. Try it out. At this age, you can at least explore and try. If you make the mistake, still you have time to compensate, right? So power of compounding, start early and you will get a gist of it. You know, how does it work? Money works. No need to work like, donkey stuff in that way. Different investment avenues. We had talked about banks. We had talked about post office saving schemes, real estate and gold, direct stocks and shares and mutual funds. So any query till now?
So this was for students or the newcomers in the market or in the saving business. What about the retirement plan like us? And so in next session you will highlight. Okay.
Yeah, definitely I will highlight retirement session. We just have so many things. Yeah, because debt instrument is something, because retirement is something money need to be saved and invested in the place where the safety is the capital saving is more important. Your capital loss should not be there. As well as you will get a good return, as well as because of the retirement age, inflation should be beaten. जो लाइफस्टाइल आप आज मेंटेन कर रहे हो वो आगे भी रहे. तो there are different options, so that we will discuss.
Okay.
Any other query? Anyone wants to say something? How you like the session?
Ma'am,
Please put
my
videos on now. I
age,
think we can get another session. We can put the videos on. We can see each other.
ma'am, for our age exactly, what would you suggest, like at this stage, which will give instant, what we can say, like we invest in it safe also, as well as.
See, for your perspective, because from the next 2-3 years or 4-5 years, you start earning. Okay. So as I said, start early is more important. So you can start with a simple thing. Start with the SIP, because I said it's hassle free, because someone else is managing on your behalf.
True.
Okay, and then first you decide your goal. Suppose you want to say from the starting only, I want to save for a world tour or a vacation. Decide it out. Okay, मुझे यहाँ जाना है. This amount I need it after 3 years or 5 years. Short term, mid term, long term goals you decide. And then on basis, if you're going to start making the small SIPs or invest in retirement thing, big thing, because that is a specific amount you put in the PPF account. So that we can discuss. That's why they say mentor is very important. So find it out, any financial advisor or something which guide you. So right at this age, if you're going to get an advisor, so at least your life is sorted out. Okay, this is being done for my retirement. This is for my vacation. This much amount I needed for my lifestyle to maintain. So at least someone is there to keep a check and help you out to put in the different investment options.
True. Yes.
Okay. I request everyone to please put your videos on. At least we can say a hi to. Hello.
Very nice session.
Thank you, Shali ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice session, Shweta. Very nice.
I hope it
was
is
a
good
nice
to the
session,
student,
ma'am.
at least give an insight, give a
Very
thought.
informative. Very informative.
Yeah, very informative.
Yes, ma'am. It was really informative and very practical for our age and exactly what we need. So that is
yes, yes.
Like you exactly said, the schools never talk about it much, and so it is very needed for us as well as very important for us at this stage.
Because no one give an idea. Because whatever we do, we just give on the basis of the prior knowledge attained by our parents or grandparents ki wahan kar dete hain. Like if I talk about myself, my father is the person who obsessed with the real estate. And though he is retired, 72, but he need the liquidity at that time, whatever the things is being required. He can't sell the real estate last time, though he wants. So no one is going to explain that part. And that's the same thing he inculcate, tell to us, you do this investment. So it's tough. So basically how at early age you start, it is more beneficial.
Shweta, really very informative session.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So we end, maybe we will just try next time we come with the more detail of these investment options to give a more clarity.
For us, retirement planning.
Yes. For retirement, for the middle age, above middle age, I'm going to be make this session, and I'm just going to circulate.
Very nice. Thank you, Shweta.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Hello.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can we have a photograph together, or if we can?
Yes, sir. I have taken for 4 people, but on my screen 4 people are coming. If somebody is using